Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A picture will be shown to you for 30 seconds, depicting certain character, age and mood. On the picture, you need to write a story regarding what led to the situation, what is going on in the situation, and what will be the possible outcomes. You will be given 30 seconds to observe the picture and then 4 minutes to write the story. Feel free to put your thought as they comes to mind. After, Papa, एक मिनट. After the कौन सी स्कूटी है किसी की बार 34-74 कौन सी है एक्टिवा है क्या निधि अपनी स्कूटी चाबी देना करे तेरे बात है एक्टिवा चलानी जाओ स्कूटी ध्यान कर बोलने मार दे ये आराम After this writing part, you will be narrating the story. Narration will be starting from here, just number 1. As soon as I understand the concept of his narration, I will be shouting a sound. Next. It is the indication for next individual that his time has started. You will be given 30 to 40 seconds for narration. And after narration of just number 15 ends, we will be starting with group discussion. Group discussion is a simple activity where you will be discussing the common story among yourselves. And just keep one thing in mind, you must be progressive. You must be progressive. It is not a matter of being whose story being selected. It is just a matter of being a group story. Agreed? कोई दिक्कत? कोई problem?
According to picture, I prescribe 2 characters. One is male, named Ramesh, age 25 years. Another is female, named Sally, age 30 years. The hero of my story is Sally. The mood of Ramesh is negative and mood of Sally is neutral. It was winter days. Sally was sleeping at his home. And then suddenly she whispered the noise of 2 men outside the door of his house as he was sleeping at the door which is present near the entry of her home. Then suddenly she noticed that one of the man whose name was Ramesh entered her house. Ramesh thought that Sally was sleeping and he started his work of breaking lockers. Sally worked gently. She first of all called police, give details of her address, and remained quiet.
Next.
From the given picture, what I perceive is there are 2 characters and the mood of my story is negative. Ayush was a flying officer in Indian Air Force. After returning from his sortie, he got the news that his mother was not well. So he take an emergency leave of 20 days and went to his home. When he went his home, he see his mother lying in a bed with his sister. He tell his sister to go her home as he is now available for her mother. Next day he take the mother to a doctor and get a medicine for her and follow the full schedule that is given by the doctor, which ultimately benefits the mother.
Next.
In the picture, I perceive 2 characters, both are males, and the mode of the story is positive. Rakesh was a class 12 student and had cleared the NDA written examination. Now he was preparing for SSB. In 2 days, it was his SSB interview. He had prepared mentally for that, but he also has to prepare for physically for that interview. So he went to a saloon and have a haircut and
Next.
From the picture shown to us, I have perceived 2 characters. One is male and one is female. The mood of my story is negative, and my story hero is Sunita, who is a housewife. Sunita is a housewife. One day when she was going to grocery, a chain snatcher came toward her and tried to snatch her necklace. Sunita starts shouting and people around her ran toward her. On seeing this, chain snatcher ran away from there, and after that incident, Sunita came home and informed everything to.
In this picture shown to us, I can perceive 2 male characters. One age around 23 to 29. One named Rahul and other named Rohan. Rahul is a negative mood and Rohan is a neutral mood. My story goes like this. Raghav was a detective, and once he went out of the city for his investigation for 2 to 3 days. And after his successful investigation, he came back. And after such a important case, he come back and get fresh and take a proper rest. And after some time, he notices that his safe was broken and his money was stolen. And then he does not get panic and asks his neighbor that when he was out of the town and who has visited and came to his house without his permission, and he also talked to the shop sellers in near to his house. And after some.
From the picture shown to us, I perceive two characters, a male and a female. Male of age around 21, mood positive, and female of age around 45, mood negative. So my stories goes like this. Raju was the only son of his mother, and his mother was a widow. So her mother works in the house. His mother done household work in other houses to run his family. So after graduating, so he decided to help his mother. So to earn money, he started to register himself under the Manrega scheme. So after registered him, he got a job for 2 to 3 months. So he can able to run the family. So he wants his mother to quit the job. So his mother decided to quit the job.
In this picture, I perceive two male characters of age around 25. One character has a mood of negative, and other male character had neutral mood. My story goes like this. Rakesh was completing his graduation from Delhi College and lived in a hostel. As a story of every hostel, this hostel also has some ragging cases. Senior used to rag juniors. Rakesh, once going through the corridor, met an argument with a group of boys, and the boys warned Rakesh to stay alert from them. After lunchtime, they met Rakesh at the canteen area and started to fight with him. Suddenly, vice principal on a round saw the fight scene at the canteen area and suspended the boys caught ragging Rakesh.
So the picture shown to us, I perceive two characters. One is male of age around 30 years and the other is female, age around 28 years. So my story is like this. Rudra and Mahima was a married couple. Rudra worked in an MNC firm and Mahima was a teacher. And one night Mahima got a neck pain in her neck muscles. Rudra wake up and asked Mahima about her condition, and Rudra gave a neck massage to Mahima and oiled her shoulders as well as her neck. And after conversation with Mahima, he got to know that Mahima used to do a lots of household work, and as well as she is managing her career. So
from the picture shown to us, I perceive a male character of age 25 to 30 years and a female character of age 14 to 15 years. The father is a monk living with his family in Nepal. One day he gave a work to his daughter, whose name is Natalia, that go to market and buy me a salt because the winter season is ongoing. As his father is short-tempered, when his daughter going to market, she lost her mind that she has to buy a salt for his father and roam all over the market. But he felt that she didn't felt that she has to make a purchase for his father when she arrived home.
Okay, so from the picture shown to us, I have perceived two characters. One is male, one is female. Ages ranging from around 25 to 50 years old, and both are in positive mood. The protagonist of my story is Rajesh, who's a local physiotherapist in Jaunpur village. So Rajesh was a local physiotherapist posted in Jaunpur village of UP. One day, while he was on his duty, he encountered with a lady who was having severe neck pain and shoulder pain. Therefore, he quickly rushed towards her and told her to go into the examining room. While examining, he asked her the reason why, what led to the origin of the neck pain, and how did she react after that. He simultaneously gave him some neck medications and wrote her some medicines. He simultaneously told him about the exercises that she needed to do so that to get rid of the neck pain permanently. She checked herself on weekly basis, and due to this, her neck pain was solved and she was happy again. Thank you.
Next.
From the picture shown us, I perceive two characters, one male and another female. Mood of the male is positive, negative, and the mood of the female is neutral. So the story goes like this. Seema is a police inspector of age 25 to 30 years who is in search of famous robber named Raju, who had robbed many of the houses in the city. To caught Raju, Seema made a plan with her seniors and juniors to she get to know about his next plan from an informer.
From the picture shown to us, I perceive two characters, one male and one female, both in the age of 25 to 30 years and in a neutral mood. Ravi works in a multinational company in Bangalore. As he recently got married, and after his marriage, he has to remain to Bangalore, far from his home due to his job, as his wife and other family members stay in his hometown. So due to his job, he wasn't able to spend time with his family. So when he returned home after many months, he spent time with his family, bought gifts for them, and did household work. So when it was the time to return to his job, his wife got emotional and requested him to take her family with him. Ravi understood her pain and bought a new flat in Bangalore, and they all together stayed happily.
Next.
From the picture shown to us, I prescribe two characters, male and female, both age around 35 to 40 years. Mood of male is negative and female neutral. Ramesh is a worker which work in his village factory. He lives alone. Ramesh is a very alcoholic person. He drinks 2 to 3 times a day and spend most of his wage daily that he earned. This led to increase in his aggressive behavior. He fights with workers working in the factory. After seeing all this, his manager decided to terminate from the company. He feel very angry and decided to take a revenge from the manager. One day
Next.
In the picture, I perceive two characters, one male named Rakesh of age of 30 to 35 years, mood negative, and one female, age of 40 to 45 years, mood positive. Therefore, the story goes like this. In the village of Somnagar, a lady Radhika lives alone as a child work in city. On that time in village, lots of robbery has happened. Finding the lady alone, robber thought to rob the lady. They decided to rob her at daytime. They gone to her home and tried to choke her, but
Next.
From the picture, I perceive mainly two characters. One is male and one is female. My story goes like that. Rakesh is the only son of his mother. So one day someone called him that his mother is ill from the dengue. So after listening this all mishappening in this home, so he granted the leave from the higher authority and go to their home, and then he take their mother to the doctor, and after giving the doctor giving the some medicines, and then
जब आप में से मैक्सिमम लोगों ने नरेशन दिया, आप लोगों ने नरेशन के टाइम पे बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपना जो कंटेंट है, जो आपने स्टोरी लिखी है, आप लोगों की जो आई कॉन्टेक्ट था वो आपकी स्टोरी के साथ था. आप लोगों को मैंने पहले बोला था, व्हेन यू आर गिविंग नरेशन यू हैव टू लुक एट योर ग्रुप मेंबर्स. आपको नरेशन के टाइम पे अपने ग्रुप मेंबर्स को देखना है, समझ रहे हो? वहां पर आपके पास से शीट अवेलेबल नहीं होगी. स्टोरी आपने लिखी है ना, तो आपको याद होना चाहिए थी. आप मुझसे टाइम मांगते, समझ रहे हो? बार बार कॉपी मत देखो. नरेशन जैसे रितु ने दिया, निधि ने दिया, साहिल ने ठीक दिया, शिवम ने थोड़ा सा ठीक दिया, रिंकू ने ठीक दिया, ऐसे नरेशन चाहिए. आप नरेशन टाइम पे बार बार अपनी शीट को नहीं देख सकते. आर यू गेटिंग इट? ठीक है. नाउ विल बी हैविंग अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन. ठीक है. यू ऑल विल बी डिस्कसिंग दिस स्टोरी एंड देन यू discussing this picture, and then you will be coming to a common story. It is not the matter of whose story is being selected. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता किसकी स्टोरी सेलेक्ट होती है. आपको अपने ग्रुप को आगे लेके जाना है प्रोग्रेसिव मैनर में. समझ रहे हो? Start discussing.
Okay, so as we all have perceived that there are two characters, and both one is male, one is female, and the female is quite aged. We can say that she's around 50 years old, and male is around 25 years old. And since it's looking like a village scene, and the man is having his hand around the neck, so we can make something like the woman is having some neck pain or some shoulder pain, so he's trying to help her out in that. Does everyone agree to this?
Yes, we can say that his mother has a neck pain on his neck, so he take him to the doctor.
And we can also add that before taking her to the doctor, he basically helped her mother by doing oiling in her neck as well as her shoulders.
Giving massage.
So we can make our hero as a local psychiatrist. So we can physiotherapist. Sorry. So because as he was a physiotherapist, therefore he oiled her mother's shoulders and neck, and told her to do some exercises as well. And he simultaneously wrote some medications to her and checked her on regular basis. And due to this, I feel that her mother was able to get rid of the neck pain.
And also we can add that the psychologist gave her a nutritious diet so that she can get recovered quickly.
And also we can add that he also helped her mother in household works.
Yes, we can say that he buy a nanny for his mother.
Yes, instead of medication, he also started going with his mother to park and started doing some exercise for her health.
Yes.
All done, Nikhil? Idea? Nominate one member from a group to write a common story. I think Nikhil. Common story? Call nominate करो. nominate करो. Nidhi? Okay. Nidhi will narrate a common story. Start.
So Rudra was a psychiatrist of age around 28 years old, and her mother physiotherapist, sorry, and her mother was going through some neck pain. So Rudra asked about her condition, and he got to know that her mother is going through some muscles pain. So Rudra gave her a proper